Oh, I don't know why I did that. Now it's gonna dry down. Oh my gosh, Rachel. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you are having a fantastic, fantastic day. Today, we are going old school with some viral makeup hacks. Also a product. Just one? Yeah, it's just one. I feel like we've been testing makeup hacks for years now across a multitude of different platforms, like Pinterest, for example. And so I found a whole bunch that were trending that looked like they might work. And so I thought we would put it on my face, see what's up, and see if anything is actually worth doing yourself. So if you like these kinds of videos and you want to see more, make sure you give this a thumbs up so I know, and subscribe. New videos here every single Thursday, and let's dive in. I have them all laid out in front of me. I feel very organized. Let's start with the hack that I am probably the most terrified about, and that is the skeleton contour trend, which feels like very on brand for this time of year. I feel like everyone's getting into Halloween right now. Fun fact is among my least favorite holidays. Don't come for me, I'm sorry. I just don't like spooky things, and gore just freaks me out. But this is supposed to give you this chiseled, beautifully contoured effect to your skin, and you just sort of follow this, for lack of a better word, skull shape. So basically, I'm going to take a sort of a cream bronzer-esque shade, use a big brush, and I'm going to follow this TikTok. All right, let's see here. Yeah. We need to create this really aggressive hollowed out vibe. Is that hollowed out enough? Do I need to clean it up here? I feel if I'm going to do it, I feel like it should be chiseled. I'm using a brush for this because I feel like then I'm using less product, because knowing me, I'm going to use too much anyway. Ooh, are these even? They're not even. Does one look better than the other? I feel like this one looks better. You can tell I don't contour normally. All right, I think I like that side better. This side's too low. It's too low. Good low, good low, good low, good low. To the window! Okay, precision, Rachel, you can do this. You got this. You don't got this. You don't got this. That's mostly similar. All right, nose now. I think I need a smaller brush. Let's use this guy. Okay, on the eyebrow, down the nose. I feel like this is just gonna make me look like I have a bronzed nose. I have never been one that is good at contouring my nose. Ugh! I knew this trend would be the end of me. Just looks like my nose is too bronzed. Right, I'm done that. I don't want to do it anymore. Is there anything else? Oh, there's more. Ugh, can I get the jawline? Yeah. Woo-ha. Pow. All right, so far not great. Now we need to go into the foundation part. I'm just gonna use a regular foundation. Some people use concealer, but that feels like a lot of product on my face. Okay, then what do they do? Watching. They go and they put the foundation on here and here on the forehead. What I really like most about this trend is that no one shows the blending of this. They're all like,
look at this, and then beautiful.
All magically blended. And I don't know what to do now. I mean, obviously I have to blend it. I'm just saying, we're gonna walk through the actual blending of this. A little bit there. This is fun. Are you having fun? I'm having fun. I'm a little scared what this is gonna look like though. And then more in there. Then again in here. Guess probably around here too. And a little under the eyes. Wow. We are caked up, friends. I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyes too. Well, why not? All right. So, do I look contoured? I don't know what to say. So what I'm gonna do for blending, because no one taught anyone, we all just assume it just blends itself. I'm just gonna blend it up, because why not? That feels like a lifting thing to do. Blend, please. I feel like a crazy person. This looks great. This looks so good. I've seen other people take a sponge and put some setting spray. It's a very light setting spray, and use that to blend out some of the product. Oh boy. Just got some in my mouth. I'm trying to find the balance between you can see that I've contoured and it looks like lines are on my face. You know what I mean? This is kind of blended, but a little doesn't look good. But I also don't want to erase everything either, you know? You feel? This line doesn't look right. I feel like I need to be more angled. Everyone does go straight down. Maybe my face is different. I don't know if I fixed anything. Maybe I'll just... Yeah. Oh, I don't know why I did that. Now it's gonna dry down. Oh my gosh, Rachel. Now we gotta work really fast, but precise and delicate. It's gonna look great. It's gonna be so good. Nose contour is gone. R.I.P. nose contour. Went away much like the skeleton that's currently on my face. I feel like I'm just bronzing at this point. Did I contour? Feel like not. What do we think? Do I look cut and contoured? I'm gonna say no. I think I just look really bronzed. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't think I like it. I feel like it needs like a powder, you know, to like set it in. Then I can maybe be a little bit more, I don't know, precise in applying it. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. This is why I don't contour, people. Just not gifted. This looks stupid. We're gonna try and make it work. We're gonna try. I don't know if this is for me. To me, it just looks weirdly like dark on the lower half of my face. Not chiseled and sculpted, but kind of like a mustache. And it's also like not super blended on this side. I don't know. You let me know. What do we think? Do we like it? Do we not like it? Leave your thoughts down below. But now I'm gonna apply some blush to make myself feel better. Come here, blush. Blush makes everything better. It's my tagline. Okay, that's mildly better. I'm gonna add a little bit of like a brightening concealer. Feel very monotone. All right, for the next hack, I've already done my brows, kind of. Because one hack that I saw was a way to get rid of any sort of shine in your brows and also to help your brows to stay on a lot longer. And so basically what this person did was they just filled in their brows and then they patted some powder on it and then they used like a gel. Apparently that does something. I've never tried that before, so I figured we'd do it together. Tried a lot of things with my brows. That combination wasn't one of them. So let's powder some brows. You know when sometimes you hear yourself say something and then you listen back to it and you're like, that's a thing that you said. I'm in a mood today. So we are gonna use a little bit of some powder here. It doesn't say how much to put in. Like I don't wanna put so much in, just enough, you know? Definitely is mattifying it. That's good. Stay tuned, there's still more to go on with my face. Okay. I mean, just as a hack on its own without having gone and put the gel in, I like how my brows look. Like the matte's nice. It's nice. Oh, I missed a spot in my brows. Hold on. This little guy right here, you know? I don't know, that feels better, I think, maybe? I don't know. Just gonna bake my eyebrows. Very, very Insta. People on Insta bake their brows? I don't know. All right, and then from there, now that my brows are baked, I'm gonna go in and apply a gel. Oh no. Please don't let the powder clump. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Who said this was a good idea? I mean, it was me, but still. All right, well now my brows just look crazy. Look at the difference in my brows right now. Wow. Just one brow is just like extra surprised today. All right, well, maybe, she said hopefully, maybe what I'll do is I will brush my brows up and make them all look pretty, and then we'll put powder on. I don't know, but this was the order that people did it. They said to set it with a gel after. What did I do wrong? Is it the wrong kind of gel? I don't understand. Oh goodness. I feel like I'm laminating my brows, but like really poorly. Well, now they're just really shiny. Well, that didn't work. All right. So let me fill this in the areas where I just like entirely, you know, took out the brow product I put in. And I had been debating using like a felt tip for this. So I was like, oh, that might be an interesting thing to try. Well, I'm glad I didn't. Can you imagine how messy that would have been? My brows would have been up into my hairline. Okay, now let's like move these brows down just a tad. Less surprise, more brow shaped, you know? All right, now let's ruin these again since we're here doing this anyway. I'm going to set this with translucent powder. Will this make me like my brows more? Let's find out. There is one brow. I put some powder on it and then I gave it like a little bit of a brush, and then that one I haven't done anything to. Do they look different? I feel like not. They look the same. And again, just taking product out of my brows. Well, hated that one. Like they look okay. Just move past this one. Oh, it looks terrible. I hate it. Let me just touch this one up for the 400th time. We'll move on to the next hack. Okay, now on to the next hack before we can like set everything down, and that is a hack to create faux freckles. And I've tried a number of different hacks before to try and create that look that I had as a youth. I got so many freckles on my nose and I loved them. But this is a hack I've never tried before, and that is using a brush to put on faux freckles. Specifically, it looked more like a wet brush basically, and you kind of use that to dab on the product. Now, when I was watching the video, one person had actually sprayed their bronzer with like a setting spray and use that and like put the brush into it. I don't think that's a good idea because that's just going to encourage like mold production in your bronzer and just like ruin the effect of it. So I wouldn't recommend doing that. If anything, like scrape some of the product out and put it onto like a clean dish and like mix it with some setting spray and then use the brush, I guess. I don't know. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try with my little, it's like a Wet n Wild cushion contour, and I'm gonna see, I'm gonna test it first. I'm gonna see if I can like create like faux freckle thing. I'm gonna try it on my hand first. I mean, like kind of. Pokes my skin a lot versus more of a traditional brush. Don't worry, I'm gonna wash all these. I think this is gonna be too big of a dot though, you know? Let's try it on here. Yeah, and like see how uniform it is? That's too like hippie long stockings. Yeah, no. So let's try this. We'll do like a little bit at a time and just see what happens. Okay. Okay, I salvaged it. Totally forgot that these are different levels. So it only got the outside ones. Awesome, awesome, awesome. But okay, let's like use it as a tool. Does it work as a tool if you have a wet brush that's all a uniform length? Wow, these are going really well for me today. Like it is working. Would it be better if I had a brush all one length? Yes, it would be better. But in terms of this product, which is cheap, and using a brush, I think it does work. I think the concept is sound. Like it's not my greatest work, but this video seems to be going in a certain direction, so I'm not that surprised. Okay, now I'm feeling a little bit shiny, so we're gonna go on to the next hack. And this is something I believe it's been around for a while. It's just a technique in powdering your face, and it's called pinpoint powdering. Essentially, the premise behind it is that we don't need to be powdering as much as we do, and it's something that, you know, used to be done a long time ago where you just kind of dust powder all over your face, but you don't need it all over your face. And so in applying it in a very specific and precise way, you're mattifying or smoothing pores or whatever it is, and it's just gonna look the most flawless and natural, and it's still gonna give you a nice healthy glow where you want it. So I'm going to take this little brush here, and I'm using my Too Faced Primed and Poreless powder, and we're going to go in just in the areas where I want to be mattified. It's basically like very precise baking. I'm just very specifically applying the powder where I really want it to be. And I'm just using the Primed and Poreless one just on the areas where I tend to get quite giant crater pores, and it's doing a really good job actually. Like I really like the effect of this. Like look how pretty that's starting to look. Get my forehead here. Oh dear. Just realized my forehead does not look great. Re the whole brow situation. Oh boy. I mean, this definitely takes a lot longer, but if you're looking for more of a precise motion, I wonder if it does the same thing with like a velour puff. Like again, being precise, but in a larger way. Then you can also use different kinds of powder depending on where you're trying to set. So if you have an oily area, you can use one that is going to be to help oil control, versus maybe under your eyes, you want to use a different powder. Like it allows for more targeted application that way too. Honestly, I kind of like this. Yeah, it looks really good. Okay. Video's starting to redeem itself. That was great. Like a checklist of all the ones that I'm trying so I don't miss any. Okay, what's the O? This one could be interesting. This one also makes me nervous. This is creating sort of a DIY stamp for that outer wing of your eyeliner. And that is using like a blister pack and creating like a little precise edge. There's like a whole thing where they create a system and they glue it to a Q-tip. It's a whole thing, but maybe it works. That's why we're here. So first things first, I'm gonna create a wing. I don't know how big to make this. I guess err on the side of larger, and then I can always make it smaller. That makes sense in my head. All right. How does she look? Is this a good wing size? I don't know, this is pretty aggressive. Maybe this is for our aggressive wing moments. Then I'm going to flip it over here, and I'm going to cut out the same shape on the other side. All right, they seem to be even. All right, now I'm just gonna make a little stamp, a little DIY stamp. In the video I watched, she just used some lash adhesive to keep it on the edge of the Q-tip. All right, I'm gonna let this dry and, I don't know, put on some eyeshadow or something. Stay tuned. All right, these have been drying. I'm gonna show you my little drying setup. Just put them in my powder so they could stay upright and hopefully be dry. They're not dry. Oh, this one's dry. Let you dry a little bit more. Stay. Ooh. It's not the most steady, so I'm gonna be very light-handed. Ooh, this is, it's gonna be interesting. Okay, today is about testing. It is about trying new things. Okay, where do I put you? Let's say here. Yeah? Oh no. All the way out and take it away. What is happening today? I guess I have to go faster. Looks like it just like pooled up on the silver packaging thing, but apparently not. Soaked right in. Okay, let's try that again, but faster this time. So, what do we think? Is it a look or is it a look? I'm having the worst luck today. All right, let's do the other side. Oh no. Oh no. That's about right. Yep, nope. I was really excited about this one. A little scared, but like, the thought is there, the idea is there, the execution is poor. So now I'm gonna go and spend 10 minutes attempting to clean this up. And by fix it, I removed it entirely. There's a Q-tip in my coffee. Well, that just goes with today, doesn't it? So, product. I'm gonna be testing out a lip stain that I've seen all over mostly TikTok, but some Instagram as well. And it's a tattoo lip stain in the shape of a Q-tip. Have you guys seen these at all? They look like this, and you just like break them and then you apply it. It's supposed to give this like beautiful stained effect on the lips. So the instructions are slightly clear. So basically what I'm supposed to do, I think, one end of the vertical broken cotton stick with horizontal marks. So I think I'm supposed to break this and then the product will flow to the other end and then I can apply it. Think. Wait for the other end to be soaked with lip dye and then use it. All right. Fun, interesting, exciting. I'm gonna start by removing the lip gloss that I have on. Get my lips nice and dry here. Now let's try it. Whoa, whoa! Do you see that? And now we apply it. Okay. Okay, that's kind of pretty. They had a bunch of different colors and stuff that you could choose from. So mine's more of this like orangey red corally vibe. Honestly, like I think it's really pretty. So let's see, is it like going to rub off? Nope, not so far. Nope. Nada enchilada. Wow. I really like that. Honestly, I feel like this lip stain just redeemed this whole video. Wow, what a journey. I appreciate that we got to experience this together because this was entertaining and fun, also a little terrifying. It was just a roller coaster of a day. Let me know if you see any makeup hacks or products that you feel like we should test out in another video, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more makeup hacks tested. Make sure to check out these videos on the side in case you have missed any, and subscribe. New videos here every single Thursday and every Saturday on my RachhLoves Life channel if you enjoy like recipe testing, kitchen gadgets tested. That's all we do there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic, fantastic day, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you all. Mwah.